break the bead.
Yeah.
So you adjust it so it's like nice and close to the rim, more or less, not touching it. This one is like this. We wanted to have the stiffest example possible, like the worst. The Harley Davidson Ultra Limited.
The hard, stiff firewall.
It's like a block of wood, and even like I need power to make it just a little bit like. So that's as hard as you can get. So you break the bead, go all around,
all the way around,
flip it, break the bead, and then you install the tuck head system. So you install the tuck head system. I usually put it here at 6 o'clock, and then I insert the stopper pin here. And always, always, always lots of soap water. Otherwise you will break the tire, break the machine, break yourself. Plenty of soap water. That makes it like easy. So the first thing is you want to get the tire over the tuck head. And for that, we use the bead breaker because
so it loosens up.
Yeah, it loosens up. Okay. It's a little bit out.
Instead of holding it with your knee, you do it with that. What you got to do is push this down too.
I had it like already a little bit too synced in. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. So good.
Yeah.
And then we use the same handle on the ratchet system. That's it. First side is off. Everything that goes in contact with the rim is plastic. This one is plastic, the tuck head is plastic, so it's not reduces the risk to scratch it. That's it. That's how to remove it. So if it's like a easy sport bike tire, you can push it on with your hands, usually the first side. This one, now we have changed it many times, so it's getting a little bit softer already, but still quite a struggle.
Okay. You could almost put it on now by hand.
Oh, not the last, not the other side.
Yeah.
That's gonna be more difficult. That's as difficult as it gets, this tire. I've never done anything more difficult than this one. That's it.
Oh.
Done.